So, Tony, the Sindaco's got this place, the Doll's House. It's a casino and bordello in one.
Classy, so you might lose at the tables, but you can bank on the ass.
Yeah, well, the place is key to the setup over here. If you were to put it out of business, you know, blow it up or something, I'm telling you, we'll be golden with Salvatore.
Don't make me lose you! Player hater!
Who is that? I don't recognize him.
Gonna beat you black and blue!
Hey, boss, you okay?
Do I look okay?
No.
Then what are you, a fucking moron? You're always saying the obvious. I can't believe I'm surrounded by people like you.
Sorry.
Listen, I'm sorry. Tony, you're one of my most trusted allies. After what you did, you're like a son to me. Better than my son. Better than any son. Your mother is a lucky woman.
So I hear.
Anthony, it's over for guys like us. We're dinosaurs, or dodos, or dildos, or something. I tell you, even in my own family, I feel like Jesus, surrounded by 12 Judases. I mean, listen to this. I got a union boss, abroad no less, that I need to do me a favor, and she asked me for money? All I wanted was 24-hour access to the docks while the strike was going on. Strikes that I helped organize so my boys could offload some drugs. And now I get this horse shit? I mean, these are people that I personally fought for, people I've killed for, honest people. And this is how they repay me?
It's insulting.
It's a disgrace. We're finished. Men of honor like you and me. Listen, Tony, I want you to take something to her.
You're gonna take this crap off a broad?
For now, what choice do I have? Look, go down there, pay her off, and tell her I'd like to have a word with her. Go.
Salvatore wants to talk.
I'm not playing Salvatore's game. Thanks for the donation, kid. See you around.
Stop breaking my balls! Watch it! I'm gonna straighten you out real good, pal. There he is! Put him up, you jerk! There he is!
Is this one of your new doggies, Sal?
Mr. Leone.
Tony, come sta? I'm glad you showed up. I want you to do something for me. If I can't get that bitch of a union boss on my side, I can sure as shit get her guys to play along. You gabish?
Buddy, get in line!
What kind of beef is Tom?
Where's the party, sugar?
Boss ain't too happy.
Want a dance, big boy?
I'm gonna rip your fucking head off.
Black and blue. I'm gonna take you to pop these
Not now, asshole.
I know you. Mistake.
Have fun, guys. Compliments to Salvatore Leone.
Hey, baby, looking for a good time?
My friend, you're an immigrant.
You're the best. Don't stop. Oh, yeah. Daddy.
Get your own girl, butthead. This one's mine. Come on, let's go. Have fun, guys. Compliments of Salvatore Leone.
Hi, sugar. I'm Candy. Hey, good looking. You want to have some fun? Honey, you and me are gonna party.
Tony, how are you, my boy? You look a little thin. Isn't your mama feeding you right?
Oh, I'm good, Mr. Leone.
Listen, these union guys, they're getting me pissed. It looks like some of them are starting to see things my way, but we just need to turn up the heat on some of the less than receptive union big shots. You know what I'm talking about?
Are you crazy? Oh! Oh! From now on, you do as you're told. I don't want to have to hurt you for moving.
That's bullshit, yo! You're crazy, man! I don't want no more trouble!
Hello, Fido. It's Maria. Salvatore gave me your number. Well, I found it in his address book. But whatever. You're his new doggy, right? Well, I want to go walking. I'll expect you over soon.